Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty and this car is a 2017 Toyota 86. Chances are you'll find the Subaru or Subaru, depending on where you're coming from, BRZ in this generation will be very much the same. Okay, for this I'm going to need my trusty 4140 Pry Tool and another number 10 socket, magnetic. I'm going to use a drill this time instead of the handheld one that I would normally use in my previous videos. So what we have to do is remove this panel here. It's held in place by clips, thus the Pry Tool. As you can see, there's almost no effort. It pops off really simply. Plastic clips, no strain, easy peasy. And then the drill. 4 10mm bolts. Very standard for most Toyota vehicles, as they use 10mm and there's normally 4 of them. And that is that. This whole radio will slide out. There are a bunch of cables behind there. We'll just have to unplug them all. So we'll start with our GPS, antenna, radio, camera, steering wheel controls and so on. USB, rear speakers, front speakers, and camera. And there it is. Standard radio, standard mounts. It's really simple. You can pretty much unscrew these brackets here, screw them onto the side of a new one, and drop it in. So there you go guys, one of the easier cars to remove radios from. Have a bit of fun. If you like what you see, please subscribe, click on the notifications, and there'll be more videos coming up as we work on more vehicles. Thanks for watching.